Hi, my name is Thora Tam, and I'm with 365 Staging, your complete home selling solution, and The Look, contemporary luxe staging with home furnishing packages that are turnkey. Today, I wanted to share with you several trends that are emerging for 2020, and I think that these are really exciting and a little different than what you would use for staging. But I think that if you have found the home of your dreams, you can use this trend and have a really amazing environment. So the first one I want to talk to you about is dark and moody. So that is a very dark, cozy environment that you create. And one of the easiest ways to do that is, first of all, just paint your walls a dark color. So I picked, for our example today, this is called Nottingham Forest, and it is from Kellymore. So you can see that it's a really beautiful, rich green color that you'd expect to see in the forest. And this color can be used on all of the walls, or if that kind of scares you a little bit, I would suggest using this for your accent wall. So the accent wall is a wall that is an important wall. So like maybe the first thing you see when you come into the room usually is your living room and your sofa and all the beautiful pillows on your sofa. So this could be used as the accent wall. My suggestion for the surrounding walls would be one of these three colors. So we have woolly mammoth, hammered pewter, or Stratford Sage. So all of these would look absolutely gorgeous with our Nottingham Forest. Okay, so you start with painting your walls a beautiful color like these. And then I wanted to introduce another emerging trend for 2020, and that is from the color marketing group called Electrum. So Electrum is an alloy that's naturally occurring, and it's sometimes called green gold. So that is a gold that has some tinges of green in it. So depending on what you put with it, if there's more yellows, it's going to appear more yellow. And if you put some more greens with it, it'll appear more green. So this is going to be sort of like this color scheme that you see here. We have some beautiful accents of the greens, and also pair it with some gold touches, as in this pillow. You see these beautiful little squares with that green gold, and also this fluffy pillow behind me with that kind of gold color in it. I also would love to have an accent of accessories that are gold color like this. So this way you continue that color scheme, and there's a really nice contrast between this and the other dark colors that you see in the room. One of the basic things that you can start with is a cream colored sofa, so that you have a contrast between that and the dark accent wall. So that's where you could easily incorporate this color scheme if you have some neutral colored furniture to begin with. Another way you can really add some flair is to have some beautiful artwork, such as what you see behind me. So you see some of the same green colors as well as the Electrum color. If you would like to have even more contrast with a dark wall, I would suggest having some beautiful gold art as well. So that's some ideas on how you can incorporate some of the latest design trends, the Electrum color, dark and moody colors, as well as the greens. So if you enjoyed this tip today, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us for weekly tips. Thank you very much.